Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can connect your JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker to your Android phone. So to do this, first let's power up the speaker by pressing the power button. If your speaker hasn't been connected to the device yet, it automatically starts in pairing mode. However, if you have already paired it to one of your devices, you have to switch it manually to pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button. As you can see, the LED light starts blinking and now you can connect via Bluetooth to the speaker. So on your phone, first let's make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Then enter into the Bluetooth settings by long pressing the Bluetooth sign. Now the phone starts to scan the available devices, and as you can see, the JBL Flip 4 appears in the list. So let's press it, and now it's playing, and as you can see, it's connected to the Flip 4. Next time, if you power up the speaker, you do not have to repeat the whole process because as you can see, the Flip 4 remains in the paired devices, so when you turn it on, it will automatically connect to the last connected device, which is your phone. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.